They tell you a cruise is freedom, a floating paradise. But behind every smile, every sunset, and every shimmering buffet table, there are secrets. Secrets the cruise lines hope you never learn. Because the truth isn't bad for business. It's devastating. You step aboard and the world feels perfect. The music, the welcome drinks, the endless horizon. But somewhere below deck, there's another world. One you'll never be invited into. And once you understand how it really works, you'll never look at a cruise ship the same way again. 1. The hidden city beneath your feet. A modern cruise ship isn't just a vessel. It's a floating city. But like any city, it has an underworld. Below the glamorous passenger decks are 6 more layers the public never sees, where 2,000 crew members live, sleep, eat, and work. Narrow, fluorescent-lit corridors stretch for miles. Doors marked "Crew Only" hide entire neighborhoods. Laundries the size of warehouses, incinerators, storage freezers colder than the Arctic. And yet, many crew members never see daylight for days at a time. A Filipino cleaner once said, "We live under paradise. We see the waves, but never touch them." That's the first secret. Cruise luxury depends on a world hidden just below it. 2. The water you drink isn't what you think. You fill your glass at the buffet and take a sip. It tastes clean, crisp, perfect. But that fresh water didn't come from land. It came from the ocean itself. Cruise ships use massive desalination systems that convert seawater into drinkable water. It's an engineering miracle. But here's the catch. When the system fails, ships sometimes resort to stored water held in steel tanks for days, even weeks. Crew members know this. They see it on the logs. They taste the metallic tang when filtration isn't fresh. So the next time you drink, remember, it's not bottled purity. It's technology holding back nature. 3. The secret of the 13th deck. If you've ever noticed there, no deck 13 on most ships, that is not a coincidence. It's superstition, yes, but also psychology. Cruise lines know passengers don't like reminders of bad luck, disaster, or death. So they skip straight from deck 12 to 14. But here it is, the deeper secret. Many ships do have a 13th level, hidden inside the hull, used for maintenance, water systems, and crew operations. It exists. You just can't go there. It's where the ship breathes, the veins and arteries of a floating giant. 4. What happens when you flush? You press the button, hear that vacuum whoosh, and forget about it. But your waste just entered a labyrinth. Underneath the ship, a network of high-pressure pipes and vacuum systems whisks everything to a treatment center the size of a small factory. There, it's separated, filtered, burned, and treated before being released back into the sea, within legal limits. But the secret most passengers don't know? When something breaks, when the suction system clogs, cabins can backflow. Crew call it a brown wave. Entire corridors sealed off until engineers fix the pipes. You won't hear about it in the daily newsletter. But below deck, it's a nightmare. 5. The secret code words you might hear. If you ever hear phrases over the loudspeaker like Alpha Team to Zone 3 or Operation Rising Star, those aren't T-random. They're code words used to keep passengers calm. Alpha means medical emergency. Bravo means fire. Oscar, someone has gone overboard. When a voice calmly repeats, Oscar, 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 port side, it means the unthinkable has happened. And the crew drops everything. The music continues. The drinks keep pouring. But on another deck, a search team is racing against the clock. 6. The cabin cameras controversy. Security is tight on modern ships, tighter than most realize. Every hallway, every public deck, every bar is under surveillance. But some passengers don't know that certain cabin balconies are also monitored, especially in newer megaships. Officially, it's for safety and security. Unofficially, some insiders say the recordings are sometimes used in incident reviews, including when guests break rules or climb railings. Privacy on the ocean? It's a myth. 7. The real reason food tastes so good. Cruise food isn't just about abundance, it's about psychology. The buffet layouts are designed using fragrance mapping color cues, and ambient sound to trigger appetite. Bread stations placed near entrances to make you hungrier. Soft music tuned to a specific BPM to make you linger longer. And here, as the secret no one tells you, most of the freshly baked bread isn't made on board. It's flash frozen on land and baked in industrial ovens hours before you eat it. Yet somehow, under the glow of ocean sunsets, it still tastes perfect. Because at sea, illusion is part of the menu. 8. The midnight clean. When you're asleep, the ship never is. At 2 a.m., the decks come alive again. But not with parties. With pressure washers, disinfectant teams, and ghost workers in silent uniforms. They scrub every railing, every elevator button, every inch of the pool deck before dawn. It's like watching the ship reset itself for another day of perfection. You'll never see them, because they're not meant to be seen. By the time you wake, the evidence of yesterday is gone. 9. The real free upgrade game. Ever wonder how some passengers mysteriously get sweet upgrades while others don't? It's not luck, it's algorithm. Cruise companies use real-time data systems that track spending, loyalty, and even complaints. Complain politely, show up early and dress sharp. Book through the cruise line instead of a third party. You're flagged as a potential retention guest. That means upgrade bait. It's not favoritism, it's strategy. 10. The secret cruise jail. They call it the brig. And yes, it's real. Hidden deep within the crew-only sections, it's where unruly passengers are held. Drunks, thieves, even violent offenders. Locked behind steel doors until authorities arrive at the next port. No windows, no sound, just silence and the hum of the ship. The captain has absolute authority at sea, and when you're out there, that authority is law. 11. The crew contract. For many workers, cruise life means leaving home for 8 to 10 months straight. Working 12 to 16 hours a day, 7 days a week. No weekends, no overtime. They smile for guests, but behind the crew-only door, exhaustion is visible. They share bunks, miss birthdays, raise kids through video calls. Yet they keep going because their families depend on those paychecks. Every cocktail you sip, every towel folded into a swan, it all comes from human sacrifice. That's the quiet truth behind the luxury. 12. The medical center. Myth, yes, there's a doctor on board. Yes, there's a small hospital. But here is what the brochures don't say. If something truly serious happens, heart attack, stroke, internal injury, you're not getting advanced care. You're stabilized, then evacuated, if weather allows. Helicopter extractions can cost tens of thousands of dollars, often not covered by insurance. Cruise lines aren't hiding it. They just don't emphasize it. Because fear isn't good for marketing. 13. The unspoken rule about crew and guests. There's an invisible barrier. Crew aren't allowed to mingle romantically with passengers, ever. If caught, they can be fired and put off the ship at the next port. No questions asked. And yet, it still happens. Quietly. Secretly. Love stories whispered in corridors that never make it to shore. A forbidden world below the lights. 14. The recycling illusion. You see the bins labeled plastic, paper, metal. You separate, you recycle. You feel responsible. But here's what most passengers don't know. Once everything's back of house, much of it gets combined again, due to storage limitations and contamination. Yes, cruise ships have waste teams, but the volume of single-use materials is massive. Some ships burn, some compress, some offload at port. But a perfect recycling system? It doesn't exist. Not yet. 15. The weather control myth. Have you ever noticed how your itinerary changes suddenly? For your comfort? Sometimes it's weather, sometimes it's politics. But often, it's fuel strategy. Rerouting saves thousands in costs. Cruise lines may shift routes subtly to stay within calmer seas, or cheaper refueling zones. It is not deception. It is survival in an industry that burns over 80,000 gallons of fuel a day. Every rule, every secret, every illusion. It's all part of a delicate balance, a world built on precision, performance, and profit. But the real story isn't just about what the cruise lines hide. It is about how they've mastered the art of hiding it beautifully. Because the deeper you go into this world, the more you realize the ocean isn't the only thing with hidden depths. Above the surface, the ocean looks endless, calm, eternal. But below, inside the ship, things are never still. Because every perfect voyage hides stories the brochures can't tell. 16. The secret of cabin categories. Cruise lines don't just sell rooms, they sell psychology. Those hundreds of categories: balcony, ocean view, deluxe, concierge. They utter often the same cabin layout with minor tweaks. A different curtain color, a minibar, or just a better view. But here's the twist. Your upgrade may not actually exist until the ship departs. If the cruise doesn't sell out, cabins are reclassified, renamed, and repriced overnight. That's why two passengers with identical bookings might pay thousands apart and never know. Because at sea, the illusion of luxury is sometimes the product itself. 17. The invisible passengers. Every ship has them. People who aren't on the manifest. Not ghosts, not stowaways, but reliefs. Replacement crew flown in quietly mid-voyage. They board at specific ports, often at dawn, unseen by passengers. They stay in temporary cabins for a few days, then vanish into the crew decks until a scheduled turnover. Why hide them? Because the cruise line doesn't want to disrupt the illusion of perfection. No one wants to see workers switching out like gears in a machine, but they're there, silent, invisible, keeping the rhythm alive. 18. The crew quarantine rooms. Tucked away deep below Deck Zero lies a place few talk about, the quarantine zone. Whenever sickness spreads on board, the cruise line isolates affected crew instantly. No sunlight, no fresh air, meals slid under the door. It's not cruelty, it's containment. The ship can't afford an outbreak. And sometimes, entire sections of the crew deck go dark for days. You'll never hear about it. You'll just notice fewer smiles upstairs. This isn't fiction, it's protocol. A machine this big can't afford to stop. Not for one life, not even for a dozen. 19. The silent evacuation drill. There's one drill passengers never see. It happens before embarkation day, when the ship is still empty. Crew members rehearse an actual full-scale emergency. Fires, floods, engine failure. They move through the decks in silence, timing every motion. Because when something goes wrong at sea, every second matters. You may think the crew seems calm during a storm or alarm, but they've practiced that calm for months, trained to hide fear until the last possible second. At sea, what you don't see can't hurt the brand, but the ocean never forgets. 21. The overboard sensors that don't always work. Modern cruise ships claim to have state-of-the-art systems that detect when someone falls overboard. Motion sensors, cameras, thermal scanners. But many crew members admit the truth. The systems are imperfect. High winds, rain, or reflections can trigger false alarms. And sometimes, they miss real ones. When someone goes over, every second is life or death. The ship has to turn around, alert coast guards, launch spotlights, and hope. By the time the Oscar code is called, the ocean is already miles wide. 22. The hidden health reports. Each cruise line is inspected by health agencies, unannounced. The results are public, but the cruise lines don't advertise them. When violations happen, contaminated ice machines, spoiled food storage, pest evidence, it's quietly handled before the next sailing. The crew know, the inspectors know, you don't. Because to you the buffet always sparkles. It's not deception, it's control. Cruise lines manage perception like an art form. 23. The real reason ships skip ports. You book a dream itinerary. 5 destinations, perfect weather, vibrant ports. But suddenly, you get an announcement. Due to unforeseen conditions, we'll be skipping our stop in Jamaica. The real reason might not be weather. It might be local safety ratings, political unrest, or crew scheduling issues. Sometimes, ports even charge higher docking fees than expected. So the line quietly adjusts course. And what is sold as for your safety is sometimes just for their balance sheet. 24. The passenger tracking system. Every wristband, every cruise card, every app you use on board, it all tracks you. When you last ordered a drink, what deck you spend the most time on, even what buffet table you prefer. It's data, used to optimize sales, traffic, and staff placement. Some ships even use heat mapping to predict where guests will go next. It's genius, it's invasive, it's the future, and it's all happening silently while you're just trying to enjoy the ocean breeze. 25. The Ghost Voyage. Here's one you'll rarely hear about. When ships are retired, they don't just vanish. Some are stripped down, rebuilt, and rebranded under new names. Old luxury disguised as new marvel. Others sail empty, repositioning voyages that move across oceans with only crew aboard. Days, sometimes weeks, of open water and silence. Crews say the atmosphere changes. The ship creaks louder, the decks feel haunted. Not by ghosts, but by echoes of passengers, laughter, music, and memory. A cruise ship never really dies. It just changes its name and keeps sailing, quietly, into new waters. Now you know the truth, not to fear it, but to see it. Because behind every polished rail, every smiling steward, and every sunset view, there's a system. One designed to keep you amazed, while keeping its secrets safely below deck. And yet, that's what makes the ocean so powerful. It reminds us how small we are, and how much we still don't see. Every voyage is a balance of trust and illusion. You step aboard, surrender control, and hope the people behind the curtain never let the act slip. Maybe that's the magic of cruising. Not the luxury, not the lights, but the mystery. Because for all its secrets, for all its flaws, the ocean still calls us back. Every time. If you love discovering the hidden world behind the waves, subscribe. Because this ocean still holds stories no one has dared to tell. The truth about cruising isn't black or white. It's hidden somewhere between the waves and the steel. Every secret you've heard tonight, every whisper below deck, every decision made behind closed doors, is part of a machine that never sleeps. A floating city, drifting through international waters, where money, mystery, and magic all share the same deck. You've seen the side they don't show you. The places where the lights don't shine. The stories that never make it to the brochure. But remember, the ocean doesn't reveal her truths easily. She holds them close, until you're ready to listen. Cruising is more than a vacation. It's a glimpse into a world that runs on illusion, where perfection is manufactured, and every smile has a schedule. But despite it all, something still draws us back. The horizon. The promise of escape. That feeling when the land disappears, and for a moment you believe you're free. So, the next time you step aboard a ship, look a little closer. Listen to the hum beneath your feet. Feel the pulse of the ocean, because the sea keeps her secrets. But if you pay attention, you might just hear them whisper back. This is the truth they didn't want you to know. This is the world behind the glass. And this is only the beginning. If you want to uncover more hidden truths of the cruising world, from luxury myths to behind-the-scenes confessions, subscribe and stay curious. Because out here, beneath the surface, the story never really ends.